Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on do not disturb in your Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to on guys do not disturb in your Motorola phone, so as you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Motorola phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel. So friends, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting to on your do not disturb. Then guys, click on your sound setting and guys scroll. Then guys, you can see do not disturb, tap here and guys you can see turn on now. So you can on your do not disturb. So you can see this do not disturb will stay on until you turn it to off. So I hope friends you have understood how to do not disturb in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.